This video is focused on the second key concept in Macanta, relationships. In the previous video, we looked at data objects and we used the example of a property. You'll remember that the data object, in this case property, is a standalone entity which you can customize to fit the information requirements in your business. Let's look now at the different people involved in selling and buying a property. At minimum, you would have someone who owns the property, a vendor. You also have the agent who is tasked with selling the property, a realtor or estate agent. There could be several people who are interested in the property and book viewings. We call them viewers. Some of the viewers will change their relationship as they might make an offer on the property and offer to purchase. Add to the other involved parties such as surveyors, solicitors, lawyers, mortgage brokers, and you can see that there is a web of relationships all in relation to one property. We don't have to stop there though. Macanta's relationship functionality allows you to easily manage this example, even when each of the viewers have booked viewings for multiple properties. They simply have a relationship of viewer to multiple property data objects. Macanta makes it very easy to keep track of all this information on a single screen. If you look at a property, you can see all the contacts who have a relationship to the property you are looking at. Look at any contact and you can see all the properties they have a relationship to. Now, I must stress here, Macanta is not a CRM specifically designed for real estate. We're simply using real estate as an example because all of us understand the concept of a house and a vendor and a buyer. An extension of the relationship function in Macanta reaches into the automation, which we cover in detail in the next video. I just want to give you a quick example of the power of relationships. Let's say, in our real estate example, we have the following contacts involved. One vendor, one agent, 5 viewers. Now, let's assume one of the viewers makes an offer on the property. Their relationship is updated from viewer to offer to purchase. We can now completely automate all of the following. 1. An email to the vendor confirming that an offer had been received and they should call your office to discuss it. 2. An email to the contact who offered to purchase the property confirming that you received their offer and you'll come back to them within 24 hours. 3. An email to each of the 4 people who viewed the property, making them aware that an offer had been received, and if they're still interested, then they better get a move on. 4. Set a task reminder for the agent to get back to the person making the offer with a due date of the following day. 5. Notification email sent to the sales manager informing them of a new offer received. All of that automation is set up with intelligence on the relationship of each contact related to the data object, making for a much more intelligent system for your business. Remember, property is just one example. You get to define the relationships and data object types your business needs. I briefly mentioned some automation here. In the next video, we dive deeper into how Macanta handles automation as another set of building blocks.